Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate expense reporting with Certify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start automating expense reporting with Certify, first, visit the Certify website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Enter your business email address and choose a secure password. After confirming your email, log in to your Certify account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, which includes key features like quick expense and report management. To add your company information, click on the settings icon. Input your company's name, address, and relevant financial details. Next, set up your expense categories by selecting Expense Categories from the menu. Click on Add Category to create categories that suit your business needs. Now, let's invite users to your Certify account. Select the Users tab and click on Invite User. Enter the email addresses of the team members who need access and assign roles accordingly. After adding users, it's time to configure the expense policies. Navigate to the Policies section and click on Create New Policy. Define the rules for expenses, including spending limits and required documentation. Once your policies are set, move on to configuring the mobile app. Download the Certify app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in with the same credentials you used for the website. Ensure notifications are enabled for receipt scans and report reminders. To upload an expense, open the app and click on Add Expense. Choose the category, input the amount, and snap a photo of the receipt. Repeat this process for all expenses to keep your records up to date. When you're ready to submit an expense report, go back to the dashboard. Select Reports and then click on Create New Report. Choose the expenses you want to include and arrange them in the order you prefer. Add any necessary comments or notes for clarity. Once your report is complete, click Submit for approval. Your designated approver will receive a notification for review. Track the status of your report by checking the Reports section. To analyze your spending over time, utilize the reporting features under Analytics. Here, you can generate custom reports to gain insights into your expenses. With these steps, you've successfully automated your expense reporting using Certify. This streamlined process will save you time and improve accuracy in your expense management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.